Now let's go to the potatoes. Now the potatoes, let's talk about these. I had them in here. I put them into a cold pot of water, added a little bit of salt. I want to cook them about 3/4 of the way, and oh, perfect. Wow, really hot. You see big bite. I burn my mouth all the time. I'm going to strain them. Bring these up, shake them off, get that excess water off of there, because we want them to be dry when they go into that fat. Potatoes look dry enough that I can put them into the hot fat. Terms that I love to use, you know, dropping the potatoes into the hot fat. Now, look at this. Let's see how much fat I've got. Now, this is a pretty good bacon that I used, but how much oil do I really have? Do I have enough to fry and put a nice crisp on the potatoes? I think I'm going to add a little bit more vegetable oil to it. But all that flavor down inside there, okay. And that'll give me enough so it can fry on one side and I'll be able to flip them over. So gently and carefully, test it first. Nice sizzle. And down. Aha. Now, you're saying fried potatoes and bacon. I dig it. But what else? What's going to make it so great? We're going to put some capers in there. We're going to have a little Dijon. You wait till you see what goes on. You will never settle for regular old boiled cold potato salad again. Now, shopping. I need a couple things for this German potato salad. Some Dijon and some capers. And some raisins, because it's going to go with these chops in a second. So, there we are. Little onion's going to go into the salad. You gotta watch that heat, man. This thing just cranks. So nice to see a big pan like that. I don't see a bunch of steam. I see the steaming that you see coming off there from its cooking, but so many times you'll cram everything. We go like, oh, put a 5th chop right there. It's not where you want to go. Big chop on the onion. Put that in with the potatoes. And I'm only gonna kind of let them get, you know, just a little bit warm. Just kind of get some of that fat on them. Let them break up. I want to see the color. I want to get some of that texture. I want to get some of that bite from the onion. A little bit of capers also. See if I can just shake a few out. There you go. And this is going to add some nice saltiness to it, that brine on the capers. And then here's the piece where it all starts to come together. Well, how does it become potato salad, guy? Well, the idea is I put a little of this Dijon in here. So what do I got? I got some Dijon, but you know what, before I do that, let me hit it with a little bit of the red wine vinegar. Kind of deglaze some of that flavor off the bottom. There we go, look at that. And you can see it start to pull off some of the flavor right off there. Starts to almost clean the pan for you. Now I'll make myself a little landing spot, add in about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and this is gonna make my vinaigrette right here for my potato salad. Okay. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'll kind of toss this. There we go. Back in with the bacon. And I'm going to let this just sit here and hold warm because it is warm German potato salad. Fried German potato salad, guy style.